So keep the zigzag alive. Oh, that's someone. Oh man, school's gonna get so hot. Oh, AWM in front of us. Some dude shooting. Oh, we don't have much choice.
I see him at the trees. People 140.
140?
Moving in. Straight
Oh
ahead.
yeah, they're moving in as well. Shit. AIDS.
Run up. Be careful if you're alright.
Yep.
Shouldn't fight you.
No. There's a car here, but I assume it's dropped for a reason.
Can we see on this hill something? Alright. We can.
I'm going left.
Oh, I'm being shot from school.
From school? Are you sure?
Yep, pretty sure from the noise.
Oh, you're right.
Doesn't matter.
No, one of them died.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
We need to watch our backs as well because Roshok is... Alright, I'm in the zone right now. Oh, this in, dude. Nice!
Was knocked guy. I just tried.
Oh.
Yeah, but he was being rest, so.
Oh, okay, nice.
Tried to shoot the other guy, but.
Yes. No, it's good.
It's fine.
Oh, this is in. Nice.
It's okay. This is an okay position, right?
Yeah. That is sucky though. The next one.
Well, yeah. What are you thinking? Going through or circling around?
Circling around is shitty. Going through is shitty. Apartments is hot.
Yep.
We know that there's one dude still inside of school, right? Because that's the friend.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll have to push through. I think that's the safest route. But it's
So we're basically on the right side of.
yeah.
Could stay on the.
So if we stay somewhat on the left side and don't sprint too much.
We sneaky from now on.
Alright, see here you can hear the guy.
Walk down.
Yeah. Not our bochten though.
Oh, no.
Shit. And the last part's going to suck so much donkey balls that it's hurting.
The last part is relatively short though.
Is what? Sorry?
Short.
Yeah.
Short run at least.
But it's not a safe part. Even if we continue there, we have no place to hide basically. It's almost like the best thing to do would be rush one of the
Yeah,
houses.
I'm thinking we should get in now and then we can hide behind the wall from other people rushing in.
Alright, should we do that?
Yeah, let's go. Fuck it. On left is fine.
M24 in front of us. Oh no, not in front of us, left of us. We can... Let's go for one of the rocks.
Okay. Can be shot from apartments.
Yep.
Looking good. Yeah, bad shots.
Luckily.
Should be able to do this.
Oh, this ledge is pretty okay.
Yeah.
Ow!
Same guy, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Okay, I'm watching school right now.
Whoa, from school. With AWM.
Oh, left, yep.
Stay safe. You're very low as well, dude.
Yeah. Oh, they're not running towards us now. It's good. Gives us time.
Medding.
School guys are running, I'm shooting.
I have no visual on them.
He's dead, I think.
Nice.
Not by me.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it was a good idea to run here, I think.
Yep.
Okay, 11 left, so we have to go there. We could get further up, but yeah, that's what we are doing now.
I just wonder where the guys from apartments were shooting from. But they need to move as well after this.
Let's try to get to the most southern edge of white.
Oh, I'm being shot from apartments. But it's fine, fuck it, he's a bad shot, you're right. There's a lot of zone still left though.
It's uphill, 2 apartments.
I'm being shot
I'm uphill.
from up here, yes, I see him. He's 165 from me. I'm being crossfired, but they need to move. They need to move more than we. We can move downhill a little bit.
Hit him once.
Nice, nice, nice.
Okay, this is a good spot.
It's a reasonable spot, yeah. I have no more vest though.
I'm on level 1.
Yeah.
It's nice, really nice spot, Carlos, let's be honest.
Right. In front, there's one dude.
One is pushing up where I'm standing right now.
Nice.
I knocked him. I
Where's-
got shot from somewhere else. He's not insta. I tried to finish him, but not exactly right now. Oh, from the rock downhill.
Yeah, we're going to get pushed by someone else as well.
Yeah, let me get my first aid in right
Yeah, they're fighting someone else, isn't that?
now. Good, but the others that I shot are going to
Yeah, you
come
killed
up.
one.
Yeah, it's dead. Oh, good. Get in the zone and wait, uphill.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Maybe this tree even.
Is it in?
Yep. Or the next one. This one's perfect. I watch more east, you watch more west, yeah?
Yep.
Nice. Kill each other's.
Smoke is going up northeast.
Oh. Oh, I'm being shot.
Yeah, from east.
Southeast, east.
East.
Some of the yeah, I see him at the tree. Furthest right.
Do you still have meds?
Yeah, one first aid. I'm popping it now. Ooh, Nate's.
No, it's miss. One from my side, one from my side. But he needs to push up.
Oh fuck! I'm not from east. Shit.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
they
between
are
fires
with
basically.
guns. Yeah, yeah. Yep, the down.
Yeah.
He's going to kill me.
Alright, I know where all of them are. It's
Okay.
one dude on the left, 2 dudes on the right.
2 on the right, yeah.
Yeah. Now it's only the dudes on the right.
Well, it's 3 other left. I don't know about that.
Oh, no, look. Did you see him?
Yep. He has friends still there. Probably.
You think so?
Yeah, he was crawling still. His friend should be close to him. Need to move
Yeah, no. Baby!
What a nice push you did there. Wow.
Who needs the chicken dinners